Welcome to AI Explains It All. Today we're diving into the tiny but fascinating world of molecules, the building blocks of everything around us. So what exactly is a molecule? Simply put, a molecule is a group of atoms bonded together. These atoms can be of the same element, like two oxygen atoms forming O2, or different elements like hydrogen and oxygen forming H2O, better known as water. Now let's talk about structure. Molecules aren't just random clusters of atoms, they have a specific shape based on how the atoms are bonded. This shape determines the molecule's properties, how it behaves, reacts, and interacts with other molecules. For example, the water molecule is bent at an angle, giving it its unique properties like surface tension and the ability to dissolve many substances. Molecules are held together by chemical bonds, like covalent bonds, where atoms share electrons, or ionic bonds, where one atom gives up electrons to another. These bonds are what make molecules stable, and the strength of the bond affects everything from the boiling point to how reactive a substance is. But here's the cool part. Molecules can be simple, just a few atoms, or incredibly complex. For example, a DNA molecule contains millions of atoms, yet its structure is vital to life itself. Understanding the structure of a molecule helps us unlock the secrets of chemistry, biology, and even the universe itself. Want more science explained in bite-sized chunks? Leave a comment below and don't forget to subscribe for more.